My name is Brandon Day. I am the founder and CEO of Community Builders. Community Builders is a nonprofit social enterprise, and our mission is to create affordable housing, meaningful employment, and healthy communities. Our Trades and Diversity Training Program really came out of a need to fill the skilled labor shortage. So what we were finding is there was all these people who were not able to participate in the labor market for any given reason, and historically have been having trouble getting into the construction industry. So our goal with the program was really to break down those barriers. Trainees get a variety of skills when they come into our program. We say that we do frame to finish. So that looks like framing, insulation, drywall, painting, flooring, trim and doors. So they get a range of all the trades, they get to experience that. And the greatest part is they also get to go on real revenue generating jobs.
Before the program, I would say I had zero skills. I think on my journey throughout, I have definitely gained a lot of knowledge.
The people here are amazing. They support you in more than just construction.
They are training me in different aspects like mental health, communication skills, how to build up resume. I am not from the construction background, so to give a little push so you can do it, that's the most amazing part of the job.
When we found out about the Meridian's Small Business Big Impact Award, I was thrilled to find out that we actually won it. Receiving the funds from this award has really just improved our program overall in so many areas. But most importantly, it provided a van, which was in desperate need for us as our program grows. We're also working with Meridian through the Reframe program. So Meridian has invested in things like financial coaching, which is incredible for our trainees, and they've really opened up their entire network to just really help us to succeed. I really see within 5 years that we're not only just in Ontario, but expanding across Canada, because I do really feel like we have a model that works and a solution that people need. Construction is just a conduit to how we're changing lives. We say we're creating healthy communities. We can't be leaving people behind in those communities.